Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir. In this video, we will go over the split screen settings so that you can have better control and get that perfect view that you want. So this, first of all, this only applies to the Digital 3 version of our systems. You know it's the Digital 3 because it's going to have these blue cube here on the camera or a blue plunger. Now let's get started. As you can see here, I got 1, 2, and 3 side by side. Let's say you want to change that to a different type of split screen. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to click on the split screen mode view. Go to any channel. I'm going to go to channel number 1, and then we're going to enter the menu button. From there, we're going to go to the modes that you see right here, and we're going to push OK. Right? Now you're seeing all the different types of split screen modes that the system has. And then we're going to choose the one that we want, and that's going to be the default fifth view of all the channels. So let's go click the, let's do this one here. All right, let's do the 3 like that, right? We're going to push OK, and then we're going to click menu twice, and we're going to go back here to see what the view is going to look like, right? Go here, and now we have the long one on the bottom and the 2 on the top. So you could put the side cameras here and then this one, or vice versa. You can manipulate it however you want. Let's say you add a 4th camera, because here we're just using 3 cameras. Let's go back into the menu, but first we got to go to channel number 1 right here. You can go even from channel number 2 or 3, it doesn't matter, right? We're going to click menu, and we're going to go to the modes that you see right here. We're going to push OK, and let's get a quad view. So I'm going to go for, let's do the H view. I know a lot of people wanted to see that one. So we got the H view right here. We're going to push OK, and then we're going to back out of it with the menu twice. And now let's go see that one there. Channel 4, and now we'll see the split screen view, and you have the H. Now remember, the 4th channel is no signal because we did not pair a 4th camera to it. But that is the extent of the split screen mode. You have the power to manipulate that 5th mode of viewing. I hope that you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can call our American-based team anytime at 866-966-5550. If you want to talk to me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around. I'll gladly answer any questions you might have. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.